$5,500? I guess. Oh no, that looked like way too high $100, so 3,300. Yep. Glitch chime.
Doors closing. Elevator going up.
The frick is glitch chime? Sound like beep.
Floor 3. Doors opening.
No click when
Doors
the
closing.
no click when you click the door close button. Build quality very bad. What do you expect? Better 300.
Floor 1.
Stop the flashing. Put your hand up there. Stops it.
Doors opening.
Hear that? Beep.
Doors closing. Elevator going up.
1,000 kilograms, 13 persons. Installed 2015.
Floor 2. Doors opening.